Name is Rohan, and today I am going to teach you about the electric charge and its properties. If you not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it and share it with your friends. Now start. Now let's start. What is electric charge? Charge is the property associated with matter due to which it produces and experiences electric and magnetic effect. It is the definition of charge. There are two types of charges. One is positive charge and other is negative charge. There is two type of charges, which is positive and negative. Charges with the same electric sign repel each other, and with opposite electric sign attract each other. What it means? Now look at these two examples. Here the two body carrying the charges, positive charges, so they are carrying the same charges, so they are pushing to each other, they are repelling to each other or pushing to each other. And look at this diagram. Here two bodies containing, first body is containing positive charge and other is containing negative charge, which is attracting towards each other. Now see its unit. SI unit of SI unit of charge is coulomb. Its dimensional formula is AT, where A represent the area and T represent the time. Point charge. What is point charge? Whose spatial size is negligible as compared to the other distances. It is just like a point, and the charge is present at that point. What means spatial? Spatial is, in physics, spatial means relating to space. Now look at the property of a charges. Charge, first property is charge is a scalar quantity, means it has only magnitude but not having any direction, so it can be added or subtracted algebraically. Means we add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, just like it. Now look at the second property. Charge is a transferable. If a charged body is put in contact with an uncharged body becomes charged due to transfer of electron from one body to the other. It means if we put a charged body and second body is uncharged body. If we put a first body with if we put a first body is in contact with the second body, then the second body become charged due to transfer of electron from the first body, which is charged. Now look at its third property. Its third property say charge is always associated with mass. Charge cannot exist without mass, though mass can exist without charge. Now consider there is a object whose mass is m. Then there is a charge cannot. So this point is saying, if there is a mass, then charge has to be present there. If the mass can exist, it is also possible that only the object having mass, not having any charge. Now look at its fourth property, which is charge is conserved. Its fourth property says charge can neither be created nor destroyed. It is just like conservation law of energy, invariance of a charge. The numerical value of elementary charge is independent of velocity. It means when an object is moving or not, its charge value does not depend on its motion. Now look at the sixth property. Charge produces electric and magnetic field. What it means? When an object is at a rest, it will produce only electric field surrounding it. When it is moving with constant velocity, or there is no change in velocity, it will produce electric field as well as magnetic field. And if the motion sorry and if the motion of the charged particle is accelerated, it means it is changing velocity, it is changing velocity with the time, so it will produce electric and magnetic field, but also radiate. There is also one point added to it, that it radiates energy in the space surrounding the charge in the form of electromagnetic waves. It radiates energy in the form of electromagnetic waves surrounding itself. Now look at the seventh property. Charge resides on the surface of a conductor. It means if there is a conductor, then charge will not present within the conductor. If it is a solid, there is a solid conductor, then charge will not present within it. Charge will present it on surface always. So that is why a solid and a hollow conducting sphere of same outer radius, where we have a solid conductor and second is hollow conducting sphere. It means it is empty from within, will hold maximum equal charge because charge will reside on its surface, not within the conductor. Okay, now look at the eighth property, quantization of charge. What it means? When a physical quantity can have only discrete values rather than any value. Discrete means it would be a multiple of some value. It's just like we can say just like any, where E represents the electric charge. Charge of an electron is minus 1.6 and 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It is the elementary charge. Any the charge cannot be less than this quantity. It is very elementary charge. So there, when a charge is exist, it will be multiple of this value, where we represent this charge by E, and n is the number, n is the integers, also including 0. So it can be either positive or a negative. It is an integers. Okay, charge on a body can never be 0.5 or a 17.5. I have already told you that it cannot be a fractional value. It is always a integral multiple of E. What is E? E represent the elementary charge. Thank you guys. If you want Hindi version of it, then comments in the comment box.